Okay, so this is a very short video to illustrate how you might go about making a graph or a pie chart. As Homer would probably like it, a donut chart. But we're not doing a donut chart. Okay, so we're going to make a pie chart from using the data that we have here. Now at this point when you're watching this video, you should already have filled these boxes in. Okay, so once you've filled the boxes in, we'll then able to use that data to make a chart. And as the teacher explained, charts can help people visualize things better than looking just at the data like we're seeing it now. Sometimes it's easier to see things as an image or an illustration as opposed to just data like this. So we're going to select the things that we'd like in the chart. Now I would like the products, which in this case is donuts. So I'm going to highlight the products, and then I want the chart to represent the price of each product with VAT. So I'm going to hold down the control key or the command key on a Mac. For you guys, it's going to be the control key. So highlight the products. I put my finger and hold the control key. My finger's still pressing the control key, and I highlight this column here. Now you can see here I just had the products highlighted and the price per box. Nothing else is highlighted. That's why we press the control key. Now we're using this for our data. Now I'm on a Mac right now, so it might be a little bit different for your computers, but if we click on insert, we can see here a bunch of graphs. So bar graph, and we have a line graph and a pie chart. I'm going to go ahead and click pie chart. I like the look of this one, simple one. So we see here we now have a pie chart with all the different products, and each segment or slice of this pie chart represents the price. Now all the prices are quite similar, so there isn't much difference here. But already we can see here that this blue one here is the most expensive one, and I think that one is the cream donut. Okay, so we need a chart title, so we're going to call it Homer's Donut Prices with VAT. Okay, now actually a different graph might suit this better. Now this isn't that clear, is it? So maybe a bar graph might be better, in which case you would have selected a different graph. Now I'm going to click on the outer edges here. See the outer edges? I'm going to click on this, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click copy. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here to the bottom, I'm going to select graph data, and you'll see here there's 3 sections for 3 different graphs. Here, pie chart. And copy and paste this in here, and I can resize it and slot it in. Okay, and I can go ahead now and trying to do a bar graph and a line chart. And what I'd like you to do, I'd like you to make a comment about whether it's a suitable graph or not. But we can save this to when we have all 3 charts. Okay, now I'm not going to show you how to do a bar graph and a line chart. I'd like you to use your brains and try and figure this one out yourself. Okay, thank you very much.